Welcome! In today's video, we'll cover the broad field of facility maintenance management. We'll show you how the effective use of a skilled workforce, vendor partnerships, and software solutions can help you get the job done. Facility maintenance is the act of caring for a facility or property so that it can safely and effectively fulfill its purpose. This includes all activities that occur in and outside of commercial buildings to keep them safe, presentable, and most importantly, functional. This may include maintenance of the equipment inside the building, the systems running within the building like electrical and HVAC, the structure of the building itself, and the space outside the building. Most commercial spaces rely heavily on facilities maintenance to keep everything running smoothly. This includes offices, schools and university campuses, hotels and casinos, hospitals, churches, and more. While the type of equipment at each facility can differ, the core range of maintenance responsibilities is more or less the same. Most facility managers choose to utilize a combination of internal maintenance personnel and outsourced facilities maintenance services to meet their facilities' needs. Oftentimes, this approach takes the form of an internal team who handles routine maintenance work and simple repairs, in conjunction with vendors who perform more specialized or sporadic maintenance tasks. Here are 3 ways to streamline facility maintenance management at your organization. Use facilities maintenance software to stay organized and efficient. A computerized maintenance management system, CMMS, can help by automating steps like scheduling and documentation. They also offer reports and make communication and access to information easy. Outline clear procedures and responsibilities to make sure important tasks and steps never get missed. Creating standard operating procedures helps achieve a consistent quality of work across all team members and vendors. Review your SOPs and other procedures to keep them up to date. Commit to proactive maintenance. It is much easier to manage maintenance tasks when you plan ahead. It is also easier to manage workloads, parts inventory, and expenses when a smaller proportion of your work is reactive. Taking steps to get ahead is worth the investment to keep your facility in good shape. There are plenty of steps you can take to start improving your facility maintenance. Following the steps in this video is a great start. To learn more about facility and general maintenance topics, or to learn more about how Limble can enable your maintenance program, head over to limblecmms.com. Thanks for watching.